Hello everyone, this is my homework of English 2. Present continuous. What are they doing? Lisa is playing her saxophone in front of school. Lisa is playing her saxophone in front of school. Next, Bart is riding in his skateboard to go to the school. Next, Maggie is training to drive the car her father. Marge is alone drinking wine in the kitchen. Next, Homero and Lisa are eating pizza the weekend. They are having fun while on vacation beside the lake. Meryl and Marge are dancing next to the beach.